Hey guys, my name is Dayer and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing one of the best shampoo treatments for hair growth. This powerful shampoo helps with hair breakage, dandruff, itchy scalp, and dryness. Losing your hair can be discouraging, but with the right shampoo, your hair can grow back and your confidence can return. This powerful shampoo nourishes the scalp and supports healthy hair growth, and I promise you will see the results. So let me show you exactly how to make this black shampoo.
1, 2, 3.
First, take a pan and add a little more than 2 cups of water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of hibiscus flowers. After mixing it up, go ahead and throw it on the stove. Once it starts boiling like this, let it cook for 5 minutes, then remove it from the stove and let it cool completely. Now that it has cooled down, I will strain the liquid to remove the hibiscus flowers. This is what the leftover hibiscus flowers look like. I'm now transferring the liquid back into the pan. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of flaxseed, and I'll add about 1 spoon of star anise. You will now let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure to keep on checking it so the flaxseed doesn't become too sticky or too thick in the mixture. Once the mixture looks like this, you can now remove it from the stove, let it cool down just a bit, and go right ahead and strain the mixture. Here's the flaxseed gel leftovers. I'll save them to use for later so nothing goes to waste. Now here is the flaxseed gel that we just made and strained. Now I've placed the pan on the stove and I'll now add 1 cup of oil. This is a potent oil I made in a previous video, which I will leave the link in the description in case you missed it. I'll be adding black soap to the oil and letting it melt completely. Once the soap has melted a bit, I'll now add the flaxseed gel and mix everything together. Now let the mixture fully melt and combine. Once everything is fully melted and well combined, remove it from the stove and let it cool down. I'll transfer it into a larger bowl so it's easier to mix. I'm using a hand mixer because I want the shampoo to have a thick, sticky texture. Now that I'm done mixing, I'll transfer it back into this container to make bottling it easier. The final ingredient I'll be adding is 2 vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E helps improve scalp health by moisturizing the scalp, reducing dryness, flakes, and irritation, and creating a healthy environment for your hair growth. Now let's mix it up. I'll now transfer the shampoo into my container. So guys, here's the powerful shampoo that's going to help you with all your hair concerns. Trust me, your hair is going to love this. Don't forget, you can use any clean bottle of your choice. This nourishing shampoo is all done now and it's ready to use, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Please, let me know if you tried this amazing shampoo out and how your experience was in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!